Hi there, Dr. Sandhu here, Doctor of Chiropractic from Bedford Chiropractic Clinic. Firstly, thank you very much for booking in your appointment. What I want to do in this short video is I want to explain to you exactly what's going to happen so that you've got no concerns, no worries, and you know exactly what you're going to get in this consultation. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go over the medical form, which you will have received today, and I'd like you to go ahead and fill that if you can. If you haven't got time, don't worry. When you come in, we will do that before we start. And that'll either be done on an iPad or it will be done as a manual written form, whichever one is easiest for you. In that form, I'm going to get a really good, clear understanding of what your medical history is so that I can make two very important decisions for you. One is chiropractic the right treatment for you? And obviously, is chiropractic safe for you? If the answer is yes to both, then we're going to go ahead and examine you. Now, the other thing that you're going to do when you fill in that medical questionnaire form is you're going to be asked to fill in one of these. And this is really useful because what this is going to do is this is going to show you and me exactly where your problems are. But I want you to do it so that you know exactly what's hurting you now, which you will. Say, for example, you've come in with low back pain and that's the issue that you've got at the moment. But historically, in your years, you may be in your 20s, your 30s, your 40s, your 50s, your 60s, your 70s, it doesn't matter, right? You will have had other issues. You may have had some neck pain, you may have had some shoulder problems, elbow problems, hand problems, on left or right. Remember, this is your left and this is your right because we're looking at you from the back. So you'll circle or shade wherever there's been a problem, right? And it could be that you've got a hip problem here, nothing on that side. You may have a knee problem here, nothing on that side. You may have an ankle problem in both ankles. But that's how you're going to write that. And that is then going to give us a pictorial version of you without all your aches and problems and pains. Now, once we've gone through your medical history and I've gone through this in more detail with you, I'm then going to go ahead and examine you once we've answered those two important questions. Is chiropractic safe? Is it the right treatment for you? In the examination, or before the examination, I'm going to talk to you about three main stresses that you and everybody, all of us, experience on our body every single day. That is gravity, that is sitting, and that's also the ground, the forces from the ground. This will all make so much more sense to you as we go through it. We're going to talk about posture. I'm going to show you sort of the importance of posture and of course the effect it has on the body. I'm going to explain to you the stress that it causes, having the different types of head postures, and I'm going to explain to you how to help yourself. We're also going to do a posture scan beforehand, which is going to show you exactly what your body is doing in the sense of how are you standing? How are you holding yourself? How are you standing looking straight ahead of you? How are you standing looking sideways? And all of this is going to give us a lot of information, but also give me the opportunity to help you improve it. On my website, for your information, there are a series of exercises on a video. I highly encourage you to have a look at it. It's a good thing to do. Don't do them now. I'll let you know which exercises are the best for you. We're also going to be looking at your feet because your feet are really, really important, and the stress that you create on your body is really important because you need to sort of see whether you're fat-footed, pronating, or whether you're supinating, and we'll go over that in detail. So that's what you're going to get. And I'm going to explain all of that to you in a lot more detail. You're going to learn so much that you can do to help yourself straight away. This is you, this is everybody, and what we're going to be doing, we're going to be examining you from your toes, ankles, knees, hips, and to your back. And we're looking for these wonderful, wonderful structure here. We're looking for these three beautiful arches. We're looking to make sure that the spine is nice and straight and it's not deviated to one side or the other. And you'll be surprised at what we will find. But more importantly, what we're trying to do together is we're trying to get to the root cause of your problem. Once we've got to the root cause of your problem, and I've explained to you exactly what's going on. You have an understanding. I'm then going to talk to you about how can we make this better? How can we improve it? How can we help you? How can I help you? And to do that, I'll be using sort of this here. This is basically a road to recovery, I call it, where people generally come in when they're suffering, and the goal is to get you to being the best you can. And that could be whatever you want it to be. It could be you being able to pick up your children and play with them. It could be basically you getting in and out the car, or being able to work all day. It's your goal, not mine. You have to tell me what that is. And the goal is to get you to there as quickly as possible. We're going to get you out of pain. Once we get you out of pain, we've got to stop you going backwards, and then we've got to get you all the way up to there. And that's going to be our goal. And to do that, I'm going to discuss with you exactly how we're going to do that. No surprises. I'm going to give you an option of different plans of sort of paying as you go, or getting some discounted offers for 6, 12 or 24 treatments. No surprises there. And it'll always be your choice. I'm not here to enforce anything on you. And remember that as good as I am, I've been doing this for 27 years, I'm not going to fix you in one treatment. Right? It is going to take a series of treatments, and it'll be your choice as to which one you decide to do. Now, as far as the treatment is concerned, chiropractic is Greek. It means by hand. I'm going to be using my hands because that's what chiropractors do. Watch the other videos in my YouTube channel. You will see me doing some what we call adjustments, treatments. Now, it's very important to understand that the way that I work is very gentle. I don't do those hard, forceful, jump on you type of adjustments. That's not the way I work, because I don't like that, having those kind of treatments on myself. What I do is I use my hands. I use this amazing table here, which is a huge investment, and it does all kinds of things. It sort of collapses on itself like that, and that just gently lowers your body and creates a little bit of a stress. I'm also going to be using something called an activator. Now, an activator is a very specialized tool. 70 years of research have gone into this beautiful thing here, and it does what my hands do, but it does it very, very specifically. For example, I'm doing that, and it does that. It's very specific, very targeted, and it's quite painless. So don't you worry about that. Now, the other thing that I'm going to offer you is I'm going to offer you sort of a form of acupuncture called dry needling. And I'm going to be using some needles. They are sterile, one-use needles, all right? And it'll be your choice. It is always your choice as to whether you want that or you don't. And but it will be something that I will do, and it's all included in the price of the treatment. There will not be any extra charge or cost for that. Okay, there you go. Nothing to worry about. Be excited, because you're going to learn so much about your body. You're going to learn some incredibly useful things that are going to help you straight away, because my goal is to partner with you and to get you where you want to be with your health, but to do it in a way that is successful. I've been doing it for 27 years, and I know that I can get you from here to here, which is your goal. And I look forward to seeing you. Wear something comfortable and come excited, and don't worry about a thing. God bless you. Look forward to seeing you. You've made the right decision.